Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi rohli sodri wa yassiri amri wahlul datan milisani yafqahu qawli. My name Dadi Ahmadi. I would like to presentation in BAIK Bandung Annual International Conference Islamic Bandung University. I would like presentation with the title Digital Literacy for Women Empowerment, a solution to grow awareness of countering hoax. The Asia Rectification Community is a movement under the Asia and Muhammadiyah organization. In order to improve the competence of mother becomes more empowered. One of them is digital literacy. This answers the problem found in the research regarding the spread of hoax that are often carried out by mother under the Asia organization. Communication activity today are much wider and faster than before. The development of communication technology is one of the causes of a sheer spread of communication activity. This is marked by the development of the internet. In writing, the history of the internet began 33 years ago when the World Wide Web was accessed and devoted to the public precisely in 1989. Since then, development of internet has continued include communication activity carried out digital. The development of communication activity through the media has been taught by McLuhan before digital technology development. The purpose of the presentation is based on Asia meditation activity as a gain of empowerment in their environment to be able to spread digital literacy awareness in counteracting hoax. The problem experienced by the Asia meditation community are related to hoax. Therefore, digital literacy is given as a form of empowering women in effort toward of hoax. This is a solution offered in its dakwah activity to the surrounding environment. The solution offered is to provide understanding and digital literacy skill in counteracting hoax. And methods the use in article is quasi-experiment method, which is research design that aim to identify the impact of particular intervention, program, or even by comparing trade unit with control unit. Research and discussion, the follow are team finding on digital literacy for women empowerment. The first is knowledge of digital literacy skill. Pre-test and post-test result are used to measure the increase in knowledge or understanding in digital literacy skill before and after a training or learning program. In this case, the 18.4% increase in knowledge indicate the percentage increase in knowledge gain after attending the literacy program conducted by research team. For example, if the participation had a priori knowledge of digital literacy of 16% in digital literacy skill in pre-test, and after attending the program, their knowledge increased to 18.4% in post-test. Then, there was an 80.4% increase in knowledge. And 80.4% increase in knowledge can be interpreted as addition presentation of knowledge gain after attending the program. In measuring digital literacy skill, it is important to use evaluation method that are comprehensive and cover a range indicator to gain a more complete understanding of progress in digital literacy. In addition to the skill, digital literacy also include digital creative, digital safety, and digital ethics. Improved digital literation indicate our increased understanding and implication of digital literation skill in society. To improve digital literation, it is important to develop critical thinking skill as well as technical skill. Second, about a knowledge of hoax. Based of result of the test respondent knowledge of hoax, they are increased in respondent knowledge of hoax. Respondent knowledge of hoax is basically sufficient to know about definition of hoax itself. This may be due to the fact that a lot of information related to the definition of hoax can be found on various news and social media platforms. And we can see on the table, and what interesting about questionnaire on hoax knowledge in the question of what to do if you encounter hoax. Before training, more than 55% didn't know what to do. From this result, it is clear that this training is necessary to provide the right experience for participants in dealing with hoax that appear of their social media. However, this training activity also still has shortcomings in result achieved, where the result of the questionnaire after training only 16.1% understanding what to do if they find out that hoax are on social media. It is necessary to conduct continued activity so that people continue to increase their knowledge about hoax and know how to be appropriate in handling hoax around them. And about knowledge Islam and hoax. If we see table on the screen, the result of implementation of the service obtained an overview of the participant knowledge. It can be explained that based on research of the post-test of respondent knowledge of hoax or fake news from an Islamic perspective, there is an increase in respondent knowledge about Islam and hoax. Respondent knowledge about Islam and hoax before the training was given basically didn't know enough about Islam and hoax, such as fake news related to speed of standard addressed to a prophet wife. This may be due to the fact that information related to the definition of hoax can be found only on various social media platforms. But hoax include fake news, slander, and etc. in Islam were not familiar to most people. And four, about knowledge of digital literation skill. In this table, the result of experimentation of this service obtained an overview participation knowledge about 80.4% increase in load knowledge can be interpreted as an additional percent of knowledge gained after attending the program. This indicates improvement in concept understanding, technical skill, and interpretation of information related to digital literation. It is important to note that the increase in knowledge reflects only one aspect of digital literation skill. In additional knowledge, it is also important to evaluation practice ability. The application of skill in the real situation and the level confidence in use digital literation. From the result of the questionnaire distribution, there was an increase in participation skill digital literation by 8.4%. This indicates an increase in the understanding and application of digital literation skill in the training. And about knowledge of digital literation skill, people are no longer unfamiliar with using social media as tool as for information and information transformation. more people in using the media do not know how to use it careful in access that will be received by the outside community when we spread the news or vice versa. For this reason, it is necessary to carry out continuous activity so that people continue to increase their knowledge of how Islam and Hawks views and now how before will be consequent to the right moral and spiritual responsibility in dealing with Hawks around them. And 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 uh, and about the conclusion, the research show as improvement in digital literacy skill. This improvement reflect the participation, understanding, and application of digital literacy skill, including social media, blog, video, and editing tool. The comparison with the pre and post test result and the change in the error rate can give an idea of the increase or decrease is in digital literacy skill after the program. However, error rate is only one aspect of the evaluation and does not reflect the overall level of digital literacy understanding or skill. To measure digital literacy skill, a comprehensive evaluation method should be used, which include a variety of indicators. I think it's enough for presentation now. I would like to discuss and thank you for your attention. Bilahi fisabilillah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.